We're going to be fitting those new discs today. Welcome back to YouTube. Okay, it's the day after yesterday in the last video. No daylight outside. It is stormy out there. It's blowing a gale. Alright, so bear with me. We're going to get the wheel off the pan. I think the best approach in the garage is, I don't have a lift. I'm going to have to take the front fender off before we can get the wheel off. It's a bit corroded. They're going to need a bit of clean up. Bolts. Right then, so we've got the wheel off, got the fender off. It's a little dirty underneath, as you'd expect. Now, I don't know if you can see this, they're retaining nuts, all right? And yeah, one of them's come out, and I can see they're held in by some plastic tabs, and they don't look in the best condition either. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, it starts to twist. So we need to do something about that. So, but there's a few scratches in it, right? Some stone chips, interestingly, so peppered, but you know, to be expected, right? Okay, so we've got the wheel off. I don't know how well you can see this, but there's a bit of a lip there. The same on the inside, right? This one is much worse. The lip on the inside is much more noticeable. Right. I'll show you when I get those off. But yeah, I don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but yeah, it's a decent ridge there. So we're going to give this a little bit of a clean up, spaces, etc., and then yeah, we'll get those new discs on. Right. Corrosion on the wheel up here under the paint. I'm going to get these powder coated. I'm wondering whether to do that now before I put the new stuff on. What do you think? Okay, torque settings, Haynes. All right, so brake disc bolts front 20 Newton meters, ABS ring 8 Newton meters. Okay. Okay, so how thick is this new one? I should have measured it beforehand, but 5 mil. Interestingly, so we're going to go down to So they're only giving us half the middle of wear now, EBC. Oh, that's interesting. So, don't know what to say about that, YouTube. Maybe, there we go. Things you don't know, right? So, bear that in mind, alright? Useful tip. All right. Okay, so, alright, so 20 Newton meters. This one goes up to 25. $19. 20. All right. Stick with the star pattern. And then 8 for the okay, there's 7, there's 8. T25.